Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to grow Instagram Reels views. So first is first, you just know how to master your hook in the first 5 to 10 seconds. People leave instantly if the intro is slow. You can start with a bold claim, question, a fast preview of what they have learned, or surprising moments. So most creators fail because of this mistake. So let me show you how to avoid it. Number two, create highly searchable videos. For example, you can create how-to tutorials. You can just basically use Canva for editing. So here I'm going to use Canva. And then basically I'm going to look for Instagram Reels right here. Then Canva will show me these templates. Now in Canva, I'm going to create shorts or Instagram reels, let's just say for motivational quotes or everything is up to you. You can look for famous movie lines or motivational quotes. So ChatGPT will generate questions for you. Now go back to Canva, select the template, and then for example, I'm going to use this one right here. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to copy these lines from ChatGPT, always include the author. Copy, go back to your chat or Canva, paste, and then copy paste again to include the author. Now, the good thing about this Canva is that it's easy to use. You can change the background color, background image, you can change the font style, font color. You can add effects, you can add elements, and so on. So basically, this is what it looks like. Now, since our tutorial is how to grow Instagram Reels views, then you must create a captivating, enticing Instagram Reels right here. As much as possible, add images that is trending or familiar. Now, once done, then you can download this. And then after that, you can now go back to your Instagram and then upload this. As you can see, I'm going to change the image or the background image of my Instagram Reels. Now I'm going to download this, so make sure tap on share and then select MP4. Now, another thing, if you want to create a lot or bulk create, there is this bulk create in the application in Canva. So all you have to do is to just paste the motivational quotes or lines and then tap on next. Canva will create a book, templates, and samples like this for you. And all you have to do is to download and you can just post it one time. So basically that's it. Now you can go back to your Instagram. To upload, you need to add text caption strategically, and then you need to use strong calls to action. Post at the right time, could be 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. or 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. is the best posting time. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.